We're going to do the chain today. I got a new chain. This is my third one. The first one was a gold one, which the wife didn't like. I didn't really understand that it was gold when I ordered it, so put that on a little bit too much for having a big gold ring here. So I ordered another chain and didn't realize that the links were only 96 links. And since I extended the swing arm, it added a few links. And the original gold chain that I ordered had 120 links, so I remember taking out 12 or 13. And so when I did some more research, I ordered a chain that only has 110 links. So it doesn't have 120, but I counted the links from the gold one that I took apart to put on, and it has 110 links. So this is our new chain. And what you do here is I just take it out. Here's our master link, which is good. Have that. And then we have our chain. So this is a 530H chain with apparently 120 links, or 110 links. And what I do here is I just really quickly put that over it. Snake all this through the back here. And then take some through the front. Right over the front sprocket. And pull it through gently. And then feed it from back here a little bit more till about the middle. And if we are right here this time, I have lots and lots of links available. So what I'll do is so I set the rim here at about nominal, so kind of right in the middle, so we have some, it's not all the way up front. I think it's right, yeah, it's right in the middle in the tabs there. There used to be nice little grooves, but they got filled in with the powder coat, but it is right in the middle. So that'll give me a little bit of play. So I'm going to go ahead and probably remove a little bit of sag there. But I'll remove this link here with this guy here. And then I'll just insert the master link. So this is kind of how you go about it. Get that tension up again. And take off this one here. Put this on here. Make sure I remember that one. So just back this out. Put this in there. And this bottom one will hook over the end of the pin. And you kind of have to pull this one out of the center, the pin pusher. And put the other one on top of it like that. So now that holds the whole link. Then you take this pin pusher and just use a crescent wrench and start pushing out the links. And it'll pop it out. It'll get nice and loose in a second here. I have my finger down here. I can kind of feel when the pin comes out. There it is. So right about there. Almost there. There it is. Oops. So the link just popped out of there. You can see the pin. So I'm going to take this off. We'll have a chain that is free. There we go. And then you do this. Come here, and you can see I have just a little bit of slack. And get this out of here. And just come in and put the main key in here. And put this, try to hold that there. So you can see I have a little bit of slack, but that's okay. And put on the master key on top of it, which is a little bit stiff. That's good, I think. Really not the right pliers for this. So let's see if we can snap the main key on. And you just put this on like this. And then you'll push from the back onto the pin like that. And that's locked. So now what I'll do is to adjust the chain, and go ahead and break the main nut, axle nut. That way it gives it some release. Unlock my, I need a 10 millimeter. Unlock the adjustment nuts. And then I'll just do as much turn on each side. One or a half on each side. And you can see the chain start to tension a little bit. So I did one there and do another half here. Another half. See that? Still a little bit loose. Hopefully, maybe I have to run it up a little bit more and do one more link maybe. I'll measure here how far I got. That looks pretty good right there. There is a measurement. I think it's maybe a 1/2 inch of play from center line up, which that one seems about good. I think I'm on the 1, 2, 3, 4 3/4 back on the marks here. So I'm, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they look just about even. Plus you can always measure this distance of the back bolt. So now I just snug these nuts right here. And again, once it's running and we do some runs, we'll double check the tension. But yeah, that looks a lot better than the gold one or the other short black one. So there you have it. Have to lube it. But yeah, all done. Easy. 10 minutes.